Ya sanibona namaxoke MK. Manineka nimena mina. Niyabona ukuthi sometimes unonginika uYesu wami bafana. Yabona mina amavidiyo ami angeke ngiyenze ngingacabanganga. Manje ngifuna ke manje ukukhuluma le ingqondo yami ke manje. I want to speak my mind. And nayi uma uyizwa ukubabela indlule. Mawuzwa ukuthi iyakubabela uyiMK indlule. MK Party, I ask you about your stance regarding illegal foreigners that are invading our country. Your stance regarding illegal foreigners taking over our country. I made a video. I said illegal foreigners are in charge of this country. Let alone ukuthi they are killing our people daily. Let alone ukuthi they are killing our kids in shops as legally as they are. Let alone ukuthi they are feeding our youth drugs as legally as they are. Let alone ukuthi they are tormenting our communities as legal as they are. Let alone ukuthi they are digging our gold, our minerals illegally as legally as they are. Yavela umkhonto. Avela umkhonto. Laba bantu bangena ngayo yonke imbobo ekhona eSouth Africa baze bagibele ngisho ama crocodile ukungena la country. They are more than 15 million. Uvela kumkhonto uthi cause ngangaba question ngathi I'm scared of your leadership because I never heard them saying anything about illegal foreigners tormenting our people, killing our people. Alexandra hlezi bebulawa abantu bokufika. Alexandra hlezi bebulawa abantu bokufika. Number waluzi kade bedefend oba Waras, DJ Waras kade defend amabhilidi lapha ade hijack abantu bokufika behleli mahala bedla ugesi wedolobha lase Joburg bedla amanzi amahala edolobha lase Joburg baphila kamnandi abantu bokufika. Uyavela umkhonto igama elithi illegal foreigners li inhuman kahle kahle uthi umkhonto ingabahluphi bayekeleni. Hey, lalelanda ngathi mina ubungozi bomuntu othanda political party over izwe lakhe uyingozi that person to our society. Umkhonto wesizwe, that statement was not supposed to be issued. Bebe right bethule. So usuyabona ukuthi ayikho impunga yehlathi. Bahambe baziveza ukuthi bawuhlobo nolukapende. And siyabonga ukuthi baziveze 2026 ungakafiki. Bantu abathanda ukuvota la eSouth Africa njengoba ngithi ngathi fuck off ngendaba zama political party bengisho lonto lokuthi izinja lezi zinto. Izinja ama politician. Manyala amanda ababhalayo. Ojesitha kusho ukuthi kahle kahle umkhwanazi makathi abantu bokufika yiba benza ubugebengu, abantu bokufika yiba ba rape, abantu bokufika yiba babulalayo, abantu bokufika yiba benza sort of crimes ongawacabanga omkhwanazi mabesho kusho ukuthi bona banyanya umkhwanazi nethi besaba ukuphumela obala cause bazofana neANC. Uma uThamintuli bethi away with illegal foreigners sekungazi ukuthi manje yikho bagijimisa ivote of no confident cause uThamintuli ever since aqala ukuthi away with illegal foreigners abakhishwa baboshwa abantu abaqhasha ama illegal foreigners yaqala iMK yakwata yahambe ofalini ivote of no confident yaqala yafile kwangenelwa amandiya yafile iMK Party yafile ivote of no confident. Why? Because uThamintuli wenzeni ukhuluma against illegal foreigners. Amakusho ukuthi kubekya ngabo ngabe badethrona lamakhosi athe amalokhunjana ama foreigner awabuyele emazweni abo abantu bakithi bathatha imisebenzi kufanele bayithathe. Manje umbuzo wami uthi ke weMK Party yo bloody fool namakhanda amakhulu nonsense. Umbuzo uthi nizokwenza njani ke ngelakho because it's your alliance. Ngoba ilakho ikhipha labantu bokufika ifaka abantu bakithi abangasebenzi. Ni against yona nayo. Be careful ke bafana bakithi what you wish for. Be careful what you wish for. Because abantu bakithi bahlele emakhaya basebenzi. Imisebenzi isebenza abantu bokufika. MK Party, be careful what you wish for. Uzoba history ka 3%. Igama elithi illegal foreigners is very sensitive in South Africa. It can get you killed. It can get you ukuthi uthole 1% makuvotwa, ungawuthola no 3%. into ethi illegal foreigners eSouth Africa, it's very sensitive. Ninesibindi sokuthi abantu aba-illegal eSouth Africa, uma ethi umuntu lo muntu lo illegal, nithi inhuman. Ha, lalelani ke wengane zakwethu, mina ngicathulise nginitshele 2026 this is what is going to happen, because senisikhombisile. Ngasho ngathi le moron le bloody nonsense ubonkosi bathi beyibuza ukuthi napa abantu bemasha bethi abantu bokufika baphume bezokwazi abantu bakithi ukuthi bathole imisebenzi, bathi uthini Khanyile, wathi angifakazi lutho mina bengekho. Ngasho ngathi ngiyalazi ligundane lubonga inkosi Khanyile, once laqala lathi angifakazi lutho, kunento ekhona kumkhonto ukuthi ba against lento eyenziwa uMK Party youth ukuthi ikhipha abantu bokufika ingene emsebenzini. Asenzeni ke soke leadership bloody food ze ANC ezicashe ngeMK Party, asenze so, because what le tendency eniyenza i-tendency ANC destroyed this country, yayinikeza ama-foreign. So in other words, you are in alliance with the ANC. Voters bavoteleni. Mina ivoti lami ngizoligodla zimfene, idayisa ngalezwe lethu. Kusho ukuthi ukufa kwa DJ, after ukufa kwa DJ Waris, nina nizobhala lento nazi kahle ukuthi ubulewe kanjani. After kwafa u-AKA kabuhlungu kangaka, nibe nazi kahle ukuthi wafa emva kuba abe pro South African. Waqala ukufa mayiseqale elwa nobani nabo bani lo wase Nigeria, belwa la kuma social media. Once ama-artist aqala aba pro South African bayawabulala, iyavela iMK Party ningenzi njalo ngoba labantu bokufika nibenza aba-inhuman. Bantshontshe imithi yethu ey'bhedlela, bantshontshe amaphilisi ey'bhedlela, bantshontshe ama-ID, baza all sort of crimes these people can commit. Ivele iMK Party ingababizi ngama-illegal foreigners. Manini ke MK Party sithini? Ama-angels bavele bandiza baney'mpiko bawela la eSouth Africa. Akusithe sathi uJacob Zuma kamithise ngaphandle. uJacob Zuma whatever owa into those African countries akungafaki thina singene lapha. We're not in exile. This youth yamanje ayikolodi lutho kulamazwe lawo. If nalamazwe kufanele trade, let's trade fair, not at our own expense. So this old politician or Jacob Zuma ne ANC nalaba be EFF abelokho bethi African one, African yokununga. Our country is turning into a shithole. In Nigeria bakhona ukaka ku freeway, bakhona ukaka edolobheni eduze nesitolo. iHebrew sakhona ukuhamba. Why? Amasimba all over. Now kuzovela MK Party. Hayi ningathi ba illegal at our own expense, at our own country. Jacob Zuma, whatever that happened in Codesa meeting, you knew what is happening there. It is good because whatever that you guys are doing, Wenza kahle untulu yangahamba kahle le vote of no confident. Kuningi bekuzokumoshakala la. Kuningi bekuzomoshakala. INatal ngabe isezandleni zama-foreigner manje. INatal ngabe bayithathile MK yayi-hand over kuma-foreigners, which means lento enziwa MK lakho ukunikeza ama-South African opportunities ukuthi basebenze ezweni labo, batrade ezweni labo, ku-wrong. Ukube kuye ngemkhonto ngabe uprimanda ini ilakho ukuthi no ningakhipha abantu bokufika bayikeleni basebenza, abantu bakithi bazothola le 350. MK Party, you're such a disgrace. Iprimandeni lakho ukuthi isebenzela abantu bakithi. Iprimandeni lakho ukuthi force amakhampani ukuthi abaqale ngabantu bakithi babaqhashe. Until now you are pro illegal foreigners. You are pro illegal foreigners, no bloody nonsense namakhanda amakhulu yonke. Yila makhanda agcwele ipolitiki lamakhandeni at the expense of our South Africans. I hate foreigners. Illegally especially. I hate politicians. I love South Africans. If you are a foreign and you know your papers are good, it's fine. You can stay. If you know that you are illegal, we need people who are going to lead this country, not politicians. They are dragging us down, including MK Party. Bloody wengane zakwethu uphathulo uphathuwa lamanyala enziwa i-MK Party savota thina sivotela i-MK Party savota man sakhankasa la ko TikTok bethu babhenwa nje uTikTok bethu sibhizi sipush MK Party ma-account wethu ebesemakhulu kabi ebemakhulu ama-account wethu siqale phansi manje sibhenela ukuthi siphakamisa umkhonto uyavela umkhonto uzositshela ama-illegal foreigners kufanele abe khona la e-countryni manini-ke nithi ngale mndeni ereshelwa le mndeni ereshelwa ama-illegal foreigners daily nina mkhonto wesizwe nithi ngaleyo mndeni. Do you know ukuthi uJabulani Moyo was an illegal foreigners? Was a legal foreigner? Lo wadubula 2 hours South African police. Do you know that? Do you know that? He was an illegal foreigner. Lo umkhonto othi singathi illegal. Ngoba sithi is inhuman. Do you know ukuthi the second murder ekwabulawa futhi 2 yamaphoyisa? Those people abatholwa nalezo bhamu ezabulala lawo maphoyisa were illegal foreigners. Khonto wesizwe, you're playing with fire and you're gonna get banned. Babuzi EFF akudlalwa ngama South Africans, and those people they don't forget. Lesi statement enisibhalile you're gonna pay for it big time. Mark my words, Mbuzo Julius, you're gonna pay. And ningacabanga ukuthi abantu nizobakhohlisa nithi umkhulu will liberate them. He's going to drag people bavote mabeqeda ukuvota umkhulu uzothatha laba abantu nevoti labo baphathe uhulumeni womuntu osuka ngaphandle, whether lo muntu uzobe suka eNigeria or uzobe suka eZimbabwe or uzobe suka kubo Dudu le eMozambique or uzobe suka eMalawi or uzobe suka kuphi. Kungani mkhulu ufanele nisifake kulento yenu agreement enayenza 1994? Singenaphi thina? Besikuphi? Nasidecide le future ngamanga enasenzela yona mkhulu. Do you know ukuthi Jacob Zuma le future sinayo yamanga yabantu bakithi abadonsa kanzima, you were part of it because nanilandelana no Cyril. Mana ke mkhulu, alright, asithi abantu ke akwenzekanga leya blackout ngo May 29. Asithi DA ayirobhanga bene ANC. Mana ke mkhulu, ngabe ubani president walezo? Wena ngiyazi bonke kube uwe. Ngabe umuntu angaphandle obvious. So mkhulu, your plan is to pursue our people to vote. Sibe no president wangaphandle. Because uma sithi ba illegal njengoba be illegal bengene ngayo yonke sort of entry. Ku wrong. Kusho ukuthi lento enziwa yilakho ukuthi ibeka abantu bakithi iqala. Kube kuyangani lapho ku MK leadership ngabe naba primand mancinza ngabe senimshaya phansi. Anikhoni niyesaba. Hayi ke sizonitshela ke thina ukuthi nina ni illegal foreigners, niyawathanda, you have alliance with them, sizoba clear. So sizosho nje siwatshela ama South African ukuthi nina you are illegally, you have love for illegal foreigners. Kusho ukuthi nje ama South African efelwa abantwana ngala ma shop angekho emthethweni avulwa abantu bokufika bethengise izinto ezino poison nama drugs. Niyazi advocate ne abantu bakithi political killing ama South Africans abula abantu bokufika kahle kahle niya advocate ukuthi iqhubeke lento yephambili. Manini njoba uJesitha umntana kaMazuma elwela kangaka abantu bakithi njobe seNatal benizombopha bethu akugavana nini eNatal. Niyabona ukuthi uZandile Dabula benizombopha. Niyabona ukuthi ni threat kuma South African njengamanje, because asazi laba abantu abalwele ni threat kophakela umthakathi, ni threat ko wonke ama artists noma laba ama influencers abalola ama South African ukuthi baphathe izwe labo. Ni threat mkhonto wesizwe, ni threat ukube kuyangani ngabe ophakela umthakathi niyababopha, ube kuyangani abu Jesitha useboshiwe, ube kuyangani ngabe uZandile useboshiwe, ube kuyangani ngabe o Victoria Africa sebeboshiwe, ngabe nathi kade saboshwa, ngabe asazi the way, cause manje nina senisikhombile ukuthi niyithandela ama illegal foreigners. Asazi ngabe sikuphi. asazi asifuna ukukhuluma into engekho cause kuyasho ukuthi kubethu iphasile ivote of no confidence ngabe nje manje kuno premier wase Nigeria or wase Zimbabwe cause kuningi ukukhohlakala okwenzakalayo kuningi Jacob Zuma wayekhona makwenziwa le codes manithi South Africa was for all benisho bona na Jacob Zuma benibabala enazi nanginyanyiswe yazo nanginyanyiswe yazo anginankinga mina nama foreigners anginayo inkinga nabo nencane futhi but inkinga yokuthi umuntu abe illegal livela iqembu elithile lizothi ningathi ba illegal sithini ke siye kumthetho singathi ba illegal sithi ba legal iMK Party advocate ukuthi ngisho man hayi mani ngasho mina ngathi iMK Party khona screw esingekho ilwa into yazi kahle ukuthi siyoluza isathi ngiyaba expose ukuthi ba corrupt kangakani siyazi ba corrupt uThamintuli siyazi ucorrupt yini nis expose la yena yona uspeaker lo odefend uThamintuli siyazi ukuthi be defendelana lama 1.4 million 1.4 million siyazi okay ubethwa lo speaker akasho ukuthi no ngabe namhlanje sino minister wakuphi ngabe sino premier wakuphi wase Mozambique cause uDuduzi lusuka kuphi eMozambique ngabe sinani ngabe country ethi kuphi nje manje sinenkinga ngama politicians eSouth Africa nizovuma ke manje bese kuseli MK Party ukuthi iphumelo bala siyabonga ukuthi iphumelo bala ngalendlela le whoever that is going to work for South African asingasayibheki sibheki ANC yodwa so sibheki EFF so sekufuna sibheke ngisho iMK Party because isiphumelo bala yathi yona iyawathanda ama illegal foreigners which means uma beba le mithi emabhasini beyihlohla amabhasi emabhasini yako Mozambique Zimbabwe kusho ukuthi MK Party yayithanda leyo nto benza thini ilimi kusho ukuthi abagogo bethu nomama bethu mabevuka ngo3 ekseni baye ema-clinic ngenxa yokuthi queue igcwele abantu bokufika iMK Party yak-advocatela lokho kusho ukuthi njengoba makufika kuthiwa imishini isifile ebhedlela ukuthi kuskenwa abantu bakithi government hospital ngenxa yokuthi isebenza iya-overworkwa too much ngenxa yokuthi nabantu bokufika MK Party yakuthanda lokho kusho ukuthi njengoba oJabulani Moyo beyidubulela wonke lama-foreign eyidubulela abantu bakithi nama-politician nabosaziwayo bethu namaphoyisa ethu MK Party yakuthanda lokho it's the right thing to do because babulawa abantu abangatraceki abatraceki abantu bokufika because abatraceki buzani fani masimula ukuthi umtholile noJabulani Moyo MK Party izothi bo yona ithi singathi ba illegal MK Party ngathi mina ukuhamba kwenu niye emazweni angaphandle nganikhuza ngathi nihamba lani niye Burkina Faso ningaqedile inkinga zase South Africa wathi uMJ ungathi too personal I'm too personal because this is our country bloody nonsense nisuka nomkondo kaANC wokuthengisa izothengisa la kuMK Party MK Party people better be smart when you vote now cause sekufuna ningasavotela ipolitician sekufuna nivotele an ordinary South African pro South African manje late cause politicians are selling you daily asazi ukuthi umkhulu nje behamba lezi ndawo uhambela at the best of interest for our people noma for yena nomndeni wakhe asazi sifuna ukuyifakaza cause mabebuya kuba yinyithuni bade bebhiza ngithi lama African countries sebebuya sebethi singathi illegal foreigners sithini basemthethweni yini ethi basemthethweni batrace nini bathole musa namba babulala abantu bakithi uyeza 2026 kube kuyangani ngabe umkhwanazi niyambopha cause akazwani corruption akazwani nobugebengu obenziwa abantu bokufika kube kuyangani ngabe niyambopha MK Party uJesinta ngabe nimbophile MK Party naze nakhohlakala but it's good because niyenze lento before 2026 it's good iANC MK Party EFF siyabazi ba pro illegal foreigners bazithandela ama illegal foreigners this is part 2 ngisayeza no part 3 ukubachaza nje uba bephelele benjalo ama political party mangithi politicians are dangerous into our society bayeza bazokhankasa namasako bhontshisi nerice enukayo nezimpuphe ezinukayo engaphekeki engagwaqeki izinto lezi namakhanda beze nezikipa basithenga ngezikipa the way besidelela ngakhona ama politicians ase South Africa including MK Party
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. You know, I used to think ukuthi MK ngiyi party le right compared to the other parties, but now I remember MK party i-expose i-MK inkosi yami ngetinto letendako. So uyasho nje ukuthi konke kahle kahle kuma-political parties midlume nje yonke, abekho bantu laba rights, they are all defending abantu bokuqhamuka. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.